In a crowded cafe, a message about meeting up turns into a comedy of autocorrect chaos as two strangers misread each other's intentions. One thinks the other is ghosting when the phone suggests a coffee, while the other assumes a hard no after a playful emoji misfire. They finally swap real words and discover a shared joke about perfect timing and imperfect technology. The moment becomes a reminder that clarity beats clever autocorrect and that a direct question often saves the day. The video ends with a wink that real connections survive autocorrect and eye contact.